India's prestigious Dream Tunnel project, Rishikesh-Karan-Prayag Rail Link, is under construction by RVNL to connect Rishikesh and Karan-Prayag for Char Dham Yatra and for the benefits of the local residents. It's one of the longest tunnel rail link project, undergoing 125 kilometers, consisting of 106 kilometers of tunnels and 35 numbers of flyovers. In package 1 of this project, where Max Infra is the contractor and Lombardi Intalfer is the consultant, some section of tunnel is constructed by horizontal jet columns as excavation support system. To construct horizontal jet columns in tunnel, following equipments are supplied by Casagrande. The height of main tunnel is 8.8 meters and the width is 8.3 meters. The width and height of the escape tunnel is 5.2 meters each. Horizontal jet columns of 600 millimeters diameter and of 20 meters length is constructed on the crown periphery of both the tunnels. And jet columns of 450 millimeters diameter and of 14 meters length is constructed on the face of the tunnel. Rishikesh, where this job site is located, is on the foothills of the Himalayan range and have a challenging geology consisting of loose sand, soil, clay, gravels and boulders. A masterpiece of Casagrande PG185, having dual power electric and diesel unit, is employed at this tunnel project in Rishikesh to construct horizontal jet column of 20 meters length of 600 millimeters diameter. Construction of jet columns is executed in 2 phases, one called the drilling phase. At this job site in Rishikesh, the drilling is executed with single fluid drill rods of 89 millimeters up to the depth of 20 meters in single stroke. The second phase is called the jetting phase, in which single fluid drill rods are extracted in a controlled manner. RPM of rod is set at 15 RPM and rods of 20 meters length are extracted in single stroke. While a high pressure grout of approximately 400 bars is pumped to the rods to create a jet column of 600 millimeters diameter of 20 meters length. Gene Lutz instrumentation is connected to the PG185, which controls, monitors and records all the drilling and jetting parameters while construction of each jet columns. Trial jet columns are executed at the nearby location of the main tunnel job site. The diameter of each trial jet column is measured and its jetting parameters are recorded. Strength of column is also measured. Gene Lutz system helps in monitoring and recording of all jetting parameters for each jet column, like lifting speed of rod, rotation of rod, grout pressure, grout flow, number of nozzles, nozzle size. Overview of jet grouting drilling accessories and bits used at Rishikesh job site. Single fluid jet grouting rods of diameter 89 mm were used. High pressure hose of 3.2 meters, 25 meters and 30 meters were used. Jet columns are constructed in a sequence. First primary columns are constructed and then secondary columns are made. PG185 is accompanied by a compact Technivel unit TW4020, which is a high pressure pump integrated with a mixing plant inside a single 20 feet size container. This pump is fed by horizontal silo 50T of Technivel. These Technivel pump and silo are electric driven and are mounted on a trailer for its movement during work inside tunnel. Gene Lutz instrumentation records the high pressure grout that is pumped from the Technivel high pressure pump during jetting phase. If we talk about the working of PG185 at Rishikesh job site for RVNL project, it constructs horizontal jet grouting columns around the crown periphery and on the face of the tunnel. Casagrande India is proud to claim that the PG185 at Rishikesh job site for RVNL project is the first in India to construct horizontal jet columns amongst any of the tunnel projects carried in India.